President.
Hello, my name is Radipon. You can call me Ne. I am studying Melanoid Darumchik School. I am 20 years old. I am Mathayom 6/3. Today I will present about Melanoid Catholic Center. It's the house for young students. We have 2 fathers, pastor, 3 sisters, and 2 teachers for take care of students. All of everyone is like a union family. Every morning everyone is say play in the church. After that we do the personal routine before we go to school. In the every night we say the mass in the church, and then we do the homework before we go to sleep. This is our daily life in the Melanoid Catholic Center. Thank you so much. Bye bye.